had a great Thanksgiving. We went on vacation. Sorry for lack of videos. Anyway, we are here tonight. It's a Thursday night, about 7 p.m. We're gonna do Palace Station walkthrough. Let's just look. Hope we don't get busted. But here we go. It was remodeled and they took away all of the train stuff. Oh look, they have an outside elevator. Yes.
We're going in there. Can't believe how big those bulbs are. Can you believe this?
Fanciness. Welcome to Palace Station. That's where you register. It's registration. Got their Christmas stuff up. Is everybody ready for Christmas?
Or Hanukkah. Or
whatever you celebrate.
Yeah, happy holidays. That's what we're supposed to say. No. Hey, that's when I was at the train station.
Oh gosh, this is going really fast.
Whoa.
This is super creepy, Cole. Oh my gosh. I'm a little scared. Oh look, it's like a circus over there.
Well, look at the ropes. They must be clean. Yeah. Can we get a 21 now?
No, I don't think so. I think you need a key. I don't know. Did you get this little shop over
No, we're fucking here.
Oh, Scarlett would love it. Don't hit me. You're bullying.
I don't know if you guys know, but she cannot touch soft things.
I love soft things.
Whenever things don't go as well and you want to hit the wall and here's a little...
Damn it, doll. That you can't do without. Just grasp it firmly by the legs, find a place to smash it, and if you whack the stuffing out, yell, damn it, damn it. That's funny. You need a new watch?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Hey look, she got the doll.
I got your Starbucks. I don't know, but I'm getting one.
Okay, then I'm getting one.
What would you eat out of all that?
Guess.
This ice snowman cookie. No? Cake pop?
Probably the snowman cookie, but...
You don't want me to be right, so. Here we go, guys. They just renovated. We're gonna go out to the pool area.
You gonna look?
Oh, I don't think we can. This is Palace Station. Alright, we're in Slot World.
I was like, what's she mean? This or this?
Oh, this is the game that Momo and them won on. These little things right here. Oh wait, no, it had a little tree. Alright.
Let's go to the left. To the left. Oh look, they were Bingo's Palace.
Yeah, that's what it was. The first run after their first renovation. Oh, 1983, they officially became Palace Station. We invented best local giveaways.
So here's Kino.
Did you get the Kino over there?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
He gave me one stare.
You're okay.
You're fine.
Alright, so she said they got a couple new restaurants. There's a reward center.
This one must be really good.
Oyster bar. Looks like those are popping up everywhere too. There's the charcoal room.
Ooh. Charcoal. To my left, bye.
Nobody can sit
This
in there.
is musical chairs.
Later in the evening they'll have that.
Later in the evening.
$25.
20 minutos porque no hay nada de basura.
That's a $100 one. Oh, the Cowboys are winning against the Saints. Here in football. I hope you all been watching my Ohio State Buckeyes. Of course, we whooped Michigan. For all of you who rooted for Michigan, sorry. Not sorry, really. That's a really cool Monopoly game over there. We have to go back and get it.
Yeah, that's a cool buffet.
Yeah.
Sorry.
We shouldn't have eaten. I shouldn't have eaten either. You want to go eat? $15.
Overnight.
So that was from midnight to 8 a.m. They're open 24 hours now. I think they used to shut it down. But, oh, there's your other new restaurant, BBD's, is what the Starbucks girl told us. Should we head over there? I think it's beer, burgers,
Yeah, I think these are both the new ones. Because now hiring.
Ooh. Free movies. DVD. Ooh, 007. James. Uh-oh.
That's what 007 is.
This is the Asian eatery.
Ooh,
You want some of this?
California Crunch I would get.
Anyway, this is their new, one of their new
Wait,
restaurants,
go
I
back.
believe.
Titanic roll looks pretty good.
They have happy hour Monday to Thursday, 2 to 5 and 10 to 12. I'm gonna look at their menu. Look at that ginormous burger. I think I would eat the prime beef. Those wings look bomb. It's a cool menu. Thank you.
This way. The new restaurant upstairs.
There is?
Yeah. See, coming soon. Eat, drink, watch movies. 9 luxury theaters. That's cool.
Oh, there's their little bar.
Here, we'll walk on this side.
Oh, they have the big arena gaming. There's still a dealer up there, so that's kind of cool. There's one dealer, but she has all these different games going on. Oh no, it's
You're
just
fine.
Baccarat. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see that one. Sorry. Bumped you into her.
You're fine.
Let's go check out the lobby.
Cashier.
Yeah. Busted. I almost feel like he was about to stop you, but those guys stopped him.
Man, bingo. Wow.
That's a nice bingo hall. Look at that, you guys. Fancy. Look at this little bar. This is fancy too. They really did it up. Oh, the Go Knights are playing right now. Go Knights, go! Oh, sportsbook straight ahead to our left. So anyway, I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. This is what I keep trying to win. I want a snowboard and a skateboard. But I want to win that thing. Anyway, there's their sports book. Hold on, I want to go look at the paper.
We're about to get busted. Hardcore.
Is he following us?
I don't know. What?
Did you want to go up? No?
Well, it's just the ballrooms.
Oh, okay.
It's not really anything there.
Here's some more slots. Everybody's sitting around watching the Cowboys game. I almost bet on them because everybody was saying they were going to lose. Alright, who's flavored? Ohio State? We're favored by 14.5 points. The game will already be over by the time this video posts, I'm guessing. So I'm gonna say we win.
Post in the comments who you think will win.
Well, the game will be over. Post in the comments if you think we should get into the college football playoff.
We done it all?
We gotta do around these.
Okay.
I can't see what the minimum says. Doesn't even say. I don't know what the minimum is there, guys. I have no clue under that.
Minimum bet $5. Max bet doesn't have one.
Where do you see that?
On the
on
board.
top. Blackjack.
I've told you that like 1,000 times.
I know, I looked up there, but I couldn't find it. Alright, we already did this side. Not many gamers tonight though. It is Thursday night. Big games are on. We go to Knights, Dallas Cowboys. I should ask everybody what's your favorite pro team. Because I don't really talk pro, we just watch college. How about?
Yeah. See what's this way?
Yeah, we didn't go this way. Oh, look at this cool Monopoly. I like it. I like how it's like zigzagged out. It's freaking cool. Oh, here, I'll tell you who else is favored to win.
Yeah, this place is small.
Yeah.
We're already done.
We already did it all?
Yep.
Oh, look at this baby. I want to go to the restroom. There's Wonder Woman. Anyway, Alabama's favored 14 points. Clemson favored by 27 and a half. We're getting pissed. So Colin had to go pee. I put $5 in and I just won. I don't know how much I won. But on $5, I'll go. Now he's waiting for me over at the bathroom as I win. Turn my 5 into 12.37. Yay, that's cool. One more time. You can't leave when you win. Sorry, Colin. Nothing. Alright, one more time. Alrighty. So that was a fun little play. Thanks, Wonder Woman. I turned my $5 into $12. Let's go over to this light. We'll walk down through Slot World one more time. This way. And then walk back through around by the table games and call it a night. It'll be a quick little video, huh? Alright, everybody. Slot World. Everybody's playing. Slot. Ooh. Boot scooting. Pandas. Oh, this looks fun. I should ask, have any of you played those like, what are they, the skill ones? The skill slot machines where you have to like one time I played one, it was pinball. I'll post it. This looks cool. Ultimate Fire Link. I kind of like that look. And this is quick hits all along the back wall. That's Craig's favorite. Anyway, Wild Tornado. There's not many people back on this side of the town. Anyway, this is Slot World and Palace Station Casino. It's really nice in here. Craig and I went and did a video, or we've been here gambling once, and you'll notice, I think he named it Dirty Carpet or something. Someone told me the dirtier the hotel carpet, the better the odds are you're gonna win. So we were looking for it that night. Anyway, we came in, I lost. I lost all my money here. Or I can't remember if Craig made any money that night. We still had fun though.
Where's your cup?
I threw it away. Perfect.
That's a newie.
That's a cool looking one too. I like the screens now. Look how they all like fancy and electronic. Alright.
I had a bowl of cereal. That's the reason why I'm not that hungry.
I had a leftover bowl of chili. Oops, sorry. These are all $10 minimums, you guys. $10. I don't know how to play that. 3-card Coke, $5 minimum. Oh, sorry. It said 6 to 5. Someone asked me if it was 6 to 5, so that one was 6 to 5. $10 blackjack or crap.
Sorry. I just feel bad for when they say sorry.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's the way we came in, right? By Oyster Bar? Yeah. So we are done, you guys. Willy Wonka.
Man, Starbucks is their friend.
Those are really good, right?
Yeah, it was good, but
I like
this
it.
was a little too big.
Oh, you want a small one?
Yeah,
Sorry.
that's fine.
Next time.
Hey, look what they're trying to set up.
Yep. Another dealer game, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's kind of small in here, but I like the setup. Slot machine. Alright, when do you think it was built?
2007.
1976. And it was a partner from the former general manager of Fremont Casino. Him and 2 of his partners were the
But they
And
opened
it was
this,
called
right?
The Casino. When they added the bingo,
Uh-oh.
that's when they called it Bingo Palace.
It's going to be difficult for us. Now, if you would like to fill out a guest statement,
Hey, look, there's the pool. We couldn't get in that. Look how cool it looks. We got a hot tub over here. Pool. And cheers. And it looks like they got like a little thingy over there. But that's the pool. Well, concert, Circus, Resort World. And we'll leave out that one. Hope you guys had a good time watching the video.
I should include that we are looking to maybe do the color run next year. It's March 2nd or 3rd, whatever that Saturday is. So if any of you are interested in or you're coming out that weekend,